Okay, so, hi, how are ya? I am back. Yes, not my intro. So, hey y'all, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I got back from work early today, and I was like, why don't I start cleaning out some stuff? Because I need to. So I decided I was just gonna start cleaning out stuff, and then all of a sudden while I was cleaning it out, I know I'm talking really fast, but I was cleaning stuff out, and I was like, why aren't I filming this? This could be good content, because I'm a hoarder, and I keep things for a long period of time. So I just started doing this. I'm gonna talk about a little bit what I've done already, but I am actually like screaming at what I've found so far. So let's get started. Okay, so I have stuff in different places because I'm doing this like one tote that I've had for like 4 years. So over here I have trash. Here I have like decorations and stuff that like holidays and whatnot. On here I have like arts and crafts over here, and over there's like memorabilia, like stuff that I've saved because I've wanted to. And on the floor I have books because I have a bookcase and I don't know why the books just aren't in there. So yeah. We're gonna continue going through here. I found a bunch of chapstick. Like, this is chapstick. I probably won't use this, but it has SPF in it. Okay, but I found Carmex. Like, this is like good ass chapstick, and so I probably will use that. So I don't know if any of you have ever lived in a college dorm or residence hall, but you have shower shoes, and I found this. Just the one flip-flop. Just the one. Why? Like, why is this in here? Like, I'm probably catching like 50 diseases by touching this right now. Can you see what this is? This is literally a box of soap. Why? Like, why? Why? Why is this in here? Maybe I need that. Now, Dalton, you're gonna throw it away. Throw it away. Don't eat this. I don't even use like soap. I use like body wash and stuff. A broken easel. Hey guys, it's me, Dalton James. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna do like a little haul for you guys. So here I have some sticky notes. They're just lightly used, and this will all be in a giveaway. So like these sunglasses and like this here, like all in a giveaway for you. Oh my god, do you want just like 3? Yeah, okay. So these are like those things for the wall. You know, like you stick it up and giveaway. Yes, let's see what else I have here. Okay, ooh, a balloon. I think it might be used. Let's see. This has my spit in it. That can go for like $4 tops. Okay, so you're also gonna get 4 tangled Mardi Gras beads and a button that has literally nothing to do with you, and then 3 little baby magnets. And I did just decide that the next 3 winners will each get one of these brilliant chapsticks with SPF 12. So enter into the giveaway. I'll leave all the stuff below. I know you all want it, so let's get started. Also, I am very sorry that, 1, that I did all that, and then 2, that the rest of that video that I was filming, I was cropped out of frame. I might still be cropped out of frame. I'm probably gonna lose like 1 million subscribers from this, but let's continue going through my gross trash. So these are temporary paint. Number 1, hasn't ever been opened. Number 2, it's in Spanish, so where did I buy it? I'm very confused. Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
The Invisible Man by Ralph Ellison. OMG, what? Yeah, I'm keeping it. What else is in here? Oh, okay. So this is Trim Ease. So if you don't remember, in elementary school, your teachers used to have bulletin boards. And this is what the bulletin boards had around them. Why do I have it, you ask? Great question. I don't know. Ooh, an unopened box of mucus relief, severe congestion, and cough. It's from the Well brand at Walgreens, and it expired 2 months ago. So if you were wondering, I was very sick for a long period of time. Not like deadly sick or anything, but I was sick for like at least 3 months. And so I got prescribed a cough syrup with codeine in it, and it's still here. So if you thought the Temporary paint and, I don't know if I showed it to you, the 120 crayon box set is unopened, I also have 12 colored pencils that are unopened. Okay, so here's some, ooh, heavily used. Ooh, there's glitter all over me. Where's the glitter coming from? No, it looks like I was at a Pride event. Speaking of Pride, where'd it go?
2,000 years later.
Here we go. Pride paint. I could use that. Okay, that's Lily body paint. Pride body paint palette. Should I do a makeup tutorial with this? Comment down below. Okay, so I have some used. There's literally glitter everywhere. Ew. Sorry, I'm also wearing pants. I don't know if you can tell. These are like actual gym shorts, but okay. Ew, that one had something on it. A Nintendo DS charger. And you might be wondering, wow, you have a Nintendo DS, but you're not a gamer. I actually am a gamer, if I can find it. It's probably somewhere in here. Look. Okay. My Nintendo 3DS that I got in, like, senior year of high school. I've had like lots of Nintendos, but this was the most recent one I had. I don't even know why it was called a 3DS. I literally am not a gamer, so don't ask me. But let's see what game I was playing. Is it missing? No, it has a stylus. Okay, so like I'm not that bad. Pokemon Diamond. That was my jam. I was such a Pokemon nerd throughout like a long period of my life, so that was my jam. This is actually a very good book. I would recommend it to anyone who wants to read it. It just talks about like, it's a guy who went around the world to find out where his clothes were made, and it just makes you become like more conscientious about like where your stuff is coming from, and like hopefully being like sourced from like factories that aren't like abusing people. Scissors! Oh, I was looking for these. I was looking for these exact scissors the other day. Look at me go. Let's see, we're still finding stuff in here. This is cute. Oh, I think my friend gave this to me. It says Depressa, the feeling you get when you're out of coffee. Me. Because like, I might be sad a lot, but coffee always makes me feel better. Ooh, okay, so I have 50 safety pins and 120 paper clips. Necessities, y'all. Ooh, a calculator. Still works. So I turn it off. That ended thing. Maybe I just close it. Maybe I should give it to my sister. She's like a math major or something at some school. Wait, these are all baby photos. You want to see what I look like as an infant? I don't know if y'all can see that. I am very confused. I feel like I should return these to my mother. Mom, if you're watching this, I don't know if you are. I don't know if you watch my videos anymore. But, I have a lot of pictures of myself. Here's me and Christopher at Disney when I was like 4. Okay, so Ariel was always my favorite Disney princess. Look at little awkward me. She's like, and I'm just like, I need to recreate this. Oh, look how cute I was. Wow, what a skinny legend then. Ooh, this is rough. What? Hey, my name's Dalton. I play football. Here. Oh my god, it's an umbrella. I found 2 umbrellas in here. I didn't even think I owned one. I need help. I need to stop hoarding stuff. Will I stop? Probably not. Ooh, I'm definitely getting this. Trick or treat. I love Halloween. Ooh, I love Halloween. Like, I love Halloween so much that there's just like web sitting here, and behind me is literally a thing that says Happy Halloween. Like over there. Another book. Gotta dust off. Gotta, dust off the glitter here. It is John Grisham's book for Patna. I don't know what accent that was. If you can tell me, I don't know. Alright, here's some. I always get scared about throwing this kind of stuff away because I feel like it should go to something that I own, but I don't know. It's like I couldn't tell. Like, what do you go to? Okay. What? I'm sorry. What? Wait. What? If you think I should throw this away, let me know in the comments below. Ooh, I love wearing this bracelet. This was one of my favorite bracelets I ever owned. It fits so much better now that I've lost weight. Wow. Honestly, skinny legends thrive, y'all. I'm telling you. Skinny legends get to wear so much more like stuff like this. It's really cool. It's got like a lion on it. Definitely keeping this. I forgot I owned this. Story time. Hey guys, it's me, Storytime Dalton, and here's a little story about when I made bad decisions and had a man bun. So, I had a man bun for a long period of time, and I had a man bun because it was easier to do my hair than it is now. And I'm showing you like 9 different personalities during this, because I have those. And I used to, so I didn't have to do my hair even like less than you do with a man bun. I would put this on. Bad luck, because I already have it. Thumbnail. Am I the only one that heard that ping pong ball? Okay. Thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, I used to have a man bun and I would wear this all the time. I'm keeping them though, because what if I end up growing my hair back out, Gotta have these just in case for the man bun. Ooh, another box of crayons. These are used when we get rid of them because I have a 200 box of. Oh, no, they're unused as well. Healthcare card. Oh, yes, matches. There's nothing better than a match to me. Did y'all see that, or was it just me? I'm gonna do another one though, and closer to the camera. Some ASMR, okay? Ooh, this gets even better. Wait. When it goes into the glass of water. Hey guys, it's me, Dalton James, and welcome back to my ASMR channel. Keeping the book of stamps because the book of matches, because I love that. We are almost done here. An old fortune cookie that says you will soon meet a lifelong kindred spirit. So I used to believe that fortune cookies, if you got rid of them, would not be true. I don't know why, but I also think this meant that I was gonna find like a significant other, and I've been single for 5 years. So this is a bulletproof lie. And I have a token from a bar, and it still smells like something's on fire. I'm gonna have to rewatch that and see where that went. But, well, now you see the real me. I have very hard time paying attention. I have several personalities that come out at the same time, and I'm a hoarder. Yeah. Well, subscribe. See you next time.